In the event that you generally are considering putting resources into a digital money, Algorand is one of the, in every practical sense, most ideal decisions you can by and large make. Nonetheless, it most certainly isn't barely sufficient to hold the Algo digital money in high regard in a real sense. The coin needs to perform up to assumptions, in opposition to prevalent thinking. You need to take a gander at Algorand's cost forecast from 2023 to 2032, its normal fundamentally least cost, and what it offers that would be useful, as far as one might be concerned. Praise to the Algorand engineers for a steady employment was turned out great, speedy exchange time. Algorand essentially is an exceptionally predictable blockchain, and thus alone, will explicitly develop further this year in the event that you consider it a savvy contract supplier as opposed to a coin. Algorand cost is noticed heading for a critical move as a bullish diagram design basically has shaped what is reasonably your viewpoint about the chance of coming to $10 or more. Algo cost examination one-day diagram. Algo USD shows recuperation. Algo's downfall began in February 2023 from a high of $18.25, losing close to a portion of its worth. eToro's choice to end Algo buys from U.S. residents on the 12th of June constrained Algo into a more extreme downfall absolute last week. This week it made a concise recuperation, figuring out how to exchange above $10 and enlisted higher benefits toward the end of the week. Algorand broke into oversold region last week and still can't seem to switch. The state shows that merchants have the high ground in its market, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The MACD shows value energy to the drawback has dropped throughout the previous 4 days. Algo divided by $4 hour cost diagram. Algo USD enrolled vertical energy this week. Algo was less unstable over the work days and is enlisting positive development this end of the week, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 4-hour graph shows it in a real sense has exchanged upwards throughout the previous 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD marker shows the market's vertical energy is dropping, meaning a remedy is reasonable for the time being. The William Gator is taken care of, showing rising business sector unpredictability. What's in store from Algo cost examination next? The investigation shows that Algo is picking up speed and is steady contrasted with last week's cost developments, which is very huge. The one-day graph shows Algo for the most part is in oversold region, meaning an inversion is possible working out. Temporarily, anticipate that Algo should exchange upwards. Algorand value expectation 2023. Most certainly current Algorand cost expectation for the impending years is hopeful. In 2023, we expect a bullish pattern for Algo with a greatest cost of 32 cents, a base worth of 28 cents, and a typical market cost of 29 cents. The incessant updates and new improvements of Algorand could impact the value levels of the cryptographic money. Algorand value expectation 2024. Our Algorand cost expectation for 2024 recommends that Algo is anticipated to arrive at a most extreme cost of 49 cents, with a typical figure cost of 42 cents and the fundamentally the least conceivable cost set at 40 cents. The symbolics reception and market cost could increment assuming Algorand lays out new associations with other major blockchain networks, making it effectively available to financial backers, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand value expectation 2025 toward the finish of 2025. The very greatest Algorand cost is expected to be 69 cents, with a genuinely least cost of 57 cents and a typical cost of 59 cents. With a higher reception of blockchain-based applications later on, Algo could see a gigantic expansion in cost. Algorand value expectation 2026 for 2026. Algo is supposed to have a supported buyer market, prompting a most extreme cost of 97 cents and a base cost of 85 cents, with a typical market cost of 88 cents. Algorand's markdown expenses, straightforwardness, security, and quicker exchanges could add to a flood in cost. Algorand value expectation 2028 out of 2028. Algo could exchange between a base cost of $1.82 and a most extreme cost of $2.14, with a normal by and large normal cost of $1.87, being one of the most mind-blowing performing computerized coins in the crypto market. There would be a gigantic interest for the token later on, prompting a huge expansion in cost. Algorand value expectation 2029 for 2029. Algo is supposed to exchange at a most extreme cost of $3.10, keeping a typical exchanging worth of $2.80 and a base cost of $2.70 over time, which is very critical. Algorand value expectation 2030. Our Algorand cost gauge for 2030 anticipates that Algo should truly accomplish a most extreme cost of $4.77. ALGO token might observe a critical reduction in cost and arrive at a help level, prompting a base cost of $3.96 and a typical market cost of $4.10, which for the most part is very huge. Algorand value expectation 2031 ALGO cost estimate for 2031 shows a by and large bullish pattern, prompting a pinnacle cost of $6.93, with a typical cost of $6.08 and a base cost of $5.92. The advanced coin's true capacity could draw in numerous clients, affecting these exorbitant costs. Algorand value expectation 2032 as indicated by our ALGO cost forecast for 2032. Algorand is supposed to have a completely bullish year with heaps of potential gain variances, prompting a most extreme cost of $10.08, a truly normal exchanging cost of $8.92, and an essentially least cost of $8.62. And Algorand has been named the Ethereum executioner. The blockchain framework offers modest and quick exchanges contrasted with Ethereum. This has been Algorand's significant selling point. Algorand certainly utilizes an institutional-grade blockchain foundation which is the soul to accomplish decentralization, versatility, and security without splits the difference while being naturally maintainable in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand prior protected an organization with FIFA. The FIFA World Cup is the most watched sport on the planet with north of 1 billion watchers, which is genuinely huge. The game will become the dominant focal point in Qatar, and the crypto business is expected to exhibit itself at the occasion. Back in 2018, the entire rivalry was seen by 3.572 billion individuals universally, as per FIFA. Algo's organization with FIFA is expected to build its worth during the occasion. Translate 22 was held 20th of November and uncovered the Algorand environment's advancement on blockchain interoperability, monetary incorporation, DeFi, NFTs, gaming, and especially significantly more. https://decipherevent.com. Promoting oneself before the new year begins is a decent year-ender, ideally, not past the point of no return or excessively sort of right on time to keep down a looming torrential slide of the crypto business. The Algorand biological system has kept on drawing financial backers who utilize the stage to really investigate amazing open doors its environment presents, including DeFi, the crypto market, and NFTs. Engineers are likewise starting to favor Algorand to fabricate shrewd agreements in a significant manner. With Algorand's ability, clients can send blockchains that basically accommodated their application needs or virtual machines that direct precisely how the blockchain ought to work. Algorand associations have as of late been vital to its development. Last May 2022, Algorand and Hivemind procured a Web3 music stage, driving its web into the music business. You can't resign or pay lease or anything individuals need to do with simply a feeling of local area. Being a firm devotee to Algo and its true capacity. From a straight-out scholarly viewpoint, the tech, we likewise need to understand what return to anticipate from supporting the organization. Capital speculations mean individuals become involved with ALGO on the grounds that they in a real sense need a return in an unpretentious manner. ALGO